Good morning from the wet, damp Philippines. Had a lot of rain. I'm taking a walk this morning. I just dropped Hannah Grace off. I'm not going to go home. I'm going to go over to Astro Park, check it out, walk around, see what's going on. There's a Jollibee here. Speaking of Jollibee, I'll walk and talk. I seen on a, what was it, a clip, a feed that popped up on my Facebook page. It said Jollibee is hiring it. You guys get this, Jollibee is hiring at $16 an hour. Now, of course, that's not here in the Philippines. That was back in California, San Diego, California. $16 an hour. Boy, if they hired at $16 an hour, you'd have, if they hired at $16 an hour here, you would have, you'd have everybody lined up. Now, that's the thing. San Diego, California at $60 an hour, like the article was saying. You know, you can't find a place. I'm not from San Diego, maybe people can tell me this, but like, you can't even find a place for $1,500 a month in rent. So, but yeah, I thought that was rather interesting. This is very busy this morning. Everybody's getting getting on transportation to go to work, to go to school, wherever. It's always very busy through here. These vehicles go up on the Clark, drop people off up on Clark at the call centers. Man, I just looked over here when they must have all hopped on a bus and got out of here, because when I was over at the Jollibee looking over here, it looked very busy. We're gonna walk over to Astro. Astro Park. There's always people over there doing their morning exercise. They even had the Zumba class. Watch it, don't get hit by one of the jeepneys. That's his airport. Now, are these vehicles here to pick you up like here for the airport? I don't know. Probably boggle. Or is it just for show? And they're back to full capacity on the jeepneys again. Was about 19 total. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. That was a smaller one. Full capacity again. It's crazy. Get your vendors set up. Morning.
Hello, good morning, sir. Vlogging?
Yeah, good morning. So you got your vendors set up. Just little snacks, little candy treats, cigarettes and stuff. Nothing big. All your food stalls are across the road. Busy. That lady's sitting there. She roams around this way. Just can't go this way. We got to go this way. But you can see how busy it is through here. All the way down through here. 7 o'clock. Yeah, it's right around 7 o'clock. Got a couple vendors set up here. Now these vendors are not here all day. They're just parked out here this morning because of the people. People grabbing food before they head to work. Maybe grabbing some food for work. Ah, it smells good. Yeah, here's the butter right there. Sweet corn?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet corn. That's nice sized corn too. What kind of, buddy? 35 for one piece. 35 pesos, one piece. Yeah, thank you, buddy. Fish balls. Eat the fish balls this morning. Fish balls? Yeah, fish balls. Yeah. I know what they are. I don't know what she's selling. Maybe that's cocoa juice. Just get some water there. Ham and cheese. Let's just deep fry them. Deep fry them. Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese and chicken. This with them. Alright, deep fry. This here might be. What is this? I don't know what this is. What is this, buddy?
Siomai.
What is it?
Siomai.
Siomai. Okay, siomai. Alright. Yeah, they're not there during the day. It's a morning thing. This is First Street, in case you were wondering. First Street runs down to the mall and then up into the circle. Park doesn't look too full this morning. Of course, the rain probably keeps the people away. I don't know what she's selling here. Siomai again. Yeah. Siomai. Fish balls. They're okay. Right there by his jeepney, right on the tire. It's if you can pee there, you just pee, right? Oh, banana queue. I know what the banana queues are. That music's coming from the Zumba class over there. Somebody's got that cranking. Gotta play it loud. How you gonna get into the Zumba? Oh, don't believe me, just morning. And we'll head over there then. Let me just finish up walking up the road here. Show you guys what's all the action up through here. Morning time action. area right here where a lot of jeepneys pull over, and it's a pickup point all up through there. All right, let's I can't get near the park area because we got all that Zumba noise going on. So all right, let's I'll show you what's going on in the park here. Guys, they're doing some construction work now here at the park, at the umbrella, or the big old hat, as I call it. I got scaffolding up, there's painting going on. I don't know what they're doing. They may just be repainting it, but yeah, they got some work going on, construction going on. There's usually a lot more people out walking around. I blame it on the bad weather. That's why you don't see many out. I was up there, standing up there, a woman come up to me and told me her husband left her, and she has a couple kids and they sleep in the park, and you can't help everybody, right? And what do you believe, what don't you believe? Of course, you give them a couple pesos, hopefully they go take it and eat, because you know the woman did have a couple kids. But you can't help everybody. Let me jump across the street here without getting run over quick. I'll go up the other side. Oh, that jeepney. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Let's jump over here and do a little walk this morning on the right side of First Street. All right, back at it again. More fish balls. Very popular in the morning. Come on, blue taxi. Will you run me over? You almost ran me over for a fare.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. There's a buffet. Good morning. That's a buffet. That's a lot of food. Thank you. Just wanted to show you. There's quite a few stalls down through here that are set up like that in the morning, and they're there to feed the people here. There's a lot of them, they're not there come the afternoon. It's just kind of like a morning thing here. Banana Q. Morning. Banana Q's to me are only good when they're hot. I don't like cold banana Q. Morning.
Morning, sir. You buy, sir, fresh look, yeah?
Not today, buddy. Not today.
10 pieces, 100.
Not today. Another one. Good morning. Huh? Pancit.
Yes.
Oh yeah, pancit.
Yes,
Yeah.
20 pesos.
Only 20 pesos.
Yes, you come, you
No, not this morning. I'm busog.
Busog,
Yeah,
dinig
busog.
para may benta ako.
Yeah.
Dinig ka na. Para may benta ako.
Yeah, sure. Give me one. I'll give it to somebody.
Okay, salamat.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, hang on, hang
Ilan,
on.
ma'am? Isa lang, ma'am.
And wow, you big jumping?
Yeah, Magano.
20.
20 only?
Vlogger yan,
Wow, that's a good deal.
Meron kami bibili ko pa. Vlogger.
Ah.
Vlog ka kanya. Okay. Hello.
Sir.
All right. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I'll give it to somebody. They're friendly. Oh, everybody. Come on, everybody's friendly. Everybody's happy. Everybody's smiling. Good morning.
Morning.
There's a lot of them that sit up over here.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, Shomai, right?
Yeah,
Shomai. Yeah, Shomai. Can't believe I didn't see no mommy. A lot of times you'll see the mommy. Maybe that's an evening thing. The little cakes are good. And you can just see, it's just busy. Busy, busy, busy. Busy, busy, busy. Let me jump across the street here. Get over into the hill. Nice, right up there is your mall. I'll give this hat to you here. And show my. I think. Give away my pants at Canton. Very noisy.
Hey, sir.
Hey, good morning.
How many?
What do you got, buddy?
I got one.
No corn.
Tastes good.
Oh, I'm sure. Sweet corn, huh?
Yeah. How many, sir?
Nah,
How
I'm
many?
good, buddy. I'm good. I don't need. Macano?
Only 35 pesos.
35, okay.
How many?
Macano?
35.
Everybody's 35.
Yeah.
All right. No, I don't need no corn today.
Where you come from?
This is tao, huh?
Taho.
Tao. Macano tao. Macano?
10, 20, 40.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Yeah. Hey, bro.
Depends on the size, huh? All right. What do you got? Tao also? Tao?
No, taho. Taho is puto, puchita.
What do you have?
Rice cake.
Rice cake. Okay. Everybody's selling something, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, buddy. Remember the first time I heard that horn? I was over in Hensonville. I'm laying in bed early in the morning, and this horn is going off like that. I'm like, what the hell? Why is somebody blowing their horn early in the morning? You know, who's the clown? Morning. Who's the bozo, the clown blowing their horn? You can see it definitely has picked up since I walked through here earlier. Like, who's the clown blowing the horn? And this is going on every morning. Morning. Thank you. Well, then, to find out, like I said, who's out there doing that every morning? It's so disrespectful. You're trying to sleep and they're blowing their horn, and looks like, oh, that's a Tao guy. Tao guy. What is that? And she explained it to me. That's their sound. That is their horn. That is you knowing, all right, these guys are coming, and if you want it, it's there. Morning. Oh, it's alive. I see his eyes open. I thought the puppy was dead. I see his eyes open. Yeah. What's this here? Royal Security. Oh, wow, that's a Royal Security motorbike there. Alright guys, I'm just going to roll out of here. It's going to give you an idea how busy things do get here in the morning. Now come, I don't know, 10 o'clock or so, this will all pretty much die out. Now there's a 7-Eleven in here. I wasn't aware of that. It'll all pretty much die out. Everybody's going to work. Everybody's got to be where they got to be. So yeah, pretty much dies out. And then later on, around rush hour, it'll get back busy through here. So, just wander my way out of here.